If Microsoft Edge is showing a DNS error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. These steps are easy to follow, and they can help if Edge is failing to load websites, showing connection errors, or acting like certain pages just won't open. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more quick tech fixes like this, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. The first thing you want to do is refresh your computer's DNS cache. This can remove old or corrupted network information that may be causing Microsoft Edge to fail. To do that, click the Start menu, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Once the Command Prompt window appears, type ipconfig/flush DNS, and then press Enter on your keyboard. After you do that, Windows will clear the DNS resolver cache. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the cache was successfully flushed. This is an important step because it forces your device to request fresh DNS information the next time you browse the web. Now that the DNS cache has been cleared, the next step is to go into Microsoft Edge and turn off Secure DNS. Open Microsoft Edge, then click the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, go into Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy, Search, and Services, or use the search bar inside Edge Settings if you need to find it faster. Scroll down until you see the option called Use Secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address for websites. Turn that option off. Secure DNS can sometimes interfere with normal website resolution, especially if your current network or DNS provider is having issues. After turning off Secure DNS, close Microsoft Edge completely and open it again. Then try visiting the website that was giving you the error. In many cases, the page should load normally now. If the issue was caused by a bad DNS cache or a Secure DNS conflict, these 2 steps should fix it right away. If the problem still isn't resolved, it can also help to restart your computer and router. But in most cases, flushing the DNS and disabling Secure DNS in Edge is enough. These are quick fixes, but they solve a lot of common browser connection problems. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.